How to close an AvaTrade account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to permanently close your trading account on AvaTrade, then no worries. Closing an account is possible, but it's a bit more formal than just clicking a button. First of all, launch open your AvaTrade application on your device. Before you start, make sure that all the open trades in it are closed, your balance is withdrawn, and no pending deposits or withdrawals are active. Once you make sure of that, go ahead and click on the menu button at the bottom right corner, and from the expanded menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Request Account Deletion button at the bottom and click on Proceed to delete. Remember, account deletion is a permanent action and a one-way process. Once you select to delete your account, you'll not be able to reactivate it again. If you're sure, click on the red Proceed to Delete button and you'll be speaking in the live chat. Go ahead and select why you are trying to close your account. And once you are done, confirm that you have the correct email address that has been listed at the top. If it is correct, click on Yes, they are correct. If not, click on No. Now follow through the on-screen instruction and your account deletion request has been submitted. The account will be deleted within 5 business days, and once it is done, you have successfully completed the deletion. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.